You broke it. You smashed it. You ran over it with your heavy, harsh words. You crushed it, and yet I still thought you were my world. I loved you so much. What I felt could have never been described by any words. You know how I praised you like you were my God. I'd smile just by laying my eyes on you. Oh my God, I felt so safe whenever you were around. You were like my God. That was all in my mind and my heart. Cause whenever I'd lie on your chest, I never feel your heart. I never heard it beat. You never said you love me, you never felt the need. I'd burn whenever I heard your name, but you've never felt that heat. Treated me like shit, looked at me like spit, forced me to abort all those kids. Once I felt a kick, you'd give my stomach a couple kicks. Blood was what I'd spit. You made the whole neighborhood believe I was a bitch. I have no friends now, no family as you speak. This voice says in my head, I can't sleep. I'm a survivor though, I'm strong. I just wish you could apologize and realize you were wrong. They say I'm crazy, I deserve to die. They don't know that I've been protecting you all along. Your abusive ass, drug addict, you changed me to a troll. I thought it was love. I was desperate and I'd do anything at all. Then you left. Never took my calls. Well, if you get this, I gave birth to triplets, 1 girl and 2 boys, Ray, Michael, and Jamal. They were taken away from me though, but during weekends they visit their mom. They're my blessing, my all. And no, they've never asked about you, and if they do, I'll tell them the truth. Look at my body, so many scars and stitches. I used to be so beautiful, they used to say I got the juice like liches. Now I'm so thin like matchsticks. I'm growing though, every day I learn more. And if you're still the man you were before, you deserve nothing but rain of bullets and being buried.